Doc, could you please burst 5 myths related to skin and hair, especially for my age group?
Sure. So let's talk about skin first, Ritika. First and foremost problem which happens in teenagers like you is acne or pimples or zits. And regarding that, a big myth is that, if you put toothpaste on your acne, then acne clear. Well, they don't. The toothpaste clears your teeth, not your acne. And
I didn't know that.
that's very common. And second thing is, a lot of teenagers, because these days there is social media.
Correct.
So, they check on a lot of home remedies, and the moment you start breaking out, you start application of home remedies.
Totally.
I'm not against home remedies, but in case of acne, because acne is basically a bacterial infection on the skin, and you need a proper medication for that. So please do not try to treat acne yourself, and go to a dermatologist to take a proper advice.
Oh my god.
Then also, it is often believed if an adult like me gets an acne, that oh my god, it's she's growing young. So acne is actually considered a teenage problem, where it is not. Yes, it is more common in teenagers, but people in 30s, 40s, even in 50s, even post-menopausal, there can be acne. And see, acne is not only a hormonal problem, it can be because of side effect of medication also.
Correct.
Acne form eruption. So yes, it is not just a teenage problem.
It's not a teenage problem, yes.
Now let's talk about hair, Ritika.
Yes.
So one common myth, I see a lot of youngsters who've got especially PCOD and a lot of hair on the face. Now if they want to shave the face, which as a dermatologist is okay, it's normal, but the myth is that it increases the hair growth. You'll become like a man if you start shaving the face hair, right? Of course, it's not very feminine. It's not in our day-to-day to pick up a razor and shave the face. But scientifically and as a dermatologist, shaving the face, except other than laser hair removal, is the safest. Because, when you do wax or thread, you're pulling the hair out and it traumatizes the hair follicle. So guys, it's okay to shave in case you're not able to do laser hair.
God, this is really helpful.
And another myth regarding hair for your scalp hair is that, a lot of moms, I don't know what your mom, Ritika, but a lot of moms tell their daughters right from their growing up time that you should oil the hair. Right? And it will, you'll have lovely hair, the hair will grow long, or if you have hair fall, then it will control hair fall.
Oh my god.
Well, the good news is that oil does nothing like that. Oil is just a medium of lubrication. So if you have a headache, take a champy. But next time when somebody has a hair fall, then the oil is not going to come to your rescue.
Oh my god, this is really... You know what, I don't know, it's not just me, but I think every teenager out there who's gonna watch this video, I think is gonna literally bless you for actually busting all
And
these.
I hope moms don't hate me.
No, I don't think moms will hate you, because you've just cleared a few myths that are gonna help all of us, and thank you so much.